Okay, the purpose of this video is to help any students that was not able to get the assemble their device before the lesson today. And so if I'm going around grading your guys' materials, or basically what you guys have done, for those students that did not complete it, this is for you. So basically let's just go ahead and go through and describe what we have here. So these are all the materials that you will need. You need a 100 microfarad capacitor. You need a 330 ohm resistor. Now the color scheme's on your handout, so you guys should know what that looks like. And a 10,000 kilo ohm resistor. Also, you'll have a green light, red LED light, a photoreceptor. We call it a photocell in the handout, a full-size breadboard, and obviously your Arduino programmable microchip. Also wiring. Now I may use more wiring than what is shown here, but just to give you an idea of all the materials that you will need. Now the objective of this lesson, in case you didn't understand, is to get one of these two lights to light up by the end of it all. Red for daylight, or when your device is exposed to light, and green for when your device is not exposed to light. So I'm just going to go ahead and assemble this, and you may watch me, and it's going to be kind of quick, and I'll try to give you guys a good look after I've got it all together. So here I go. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and take a little tutorial of everything that we have here. So first things first we got to take note of is the power source. Obviously we need to be connected to the 5 volt. Now it might not be clear enough on my camera, but the 5 volts is where we're coming out of. So that's our power source. And the Arduino chip gets all of its power from right there. Now it goes up and goes into the positive side. And then from the positive we can also streamline more power, and that's what this second yellow cord is right here. So you can get a better view. This second yellow cord is. Now I'm just going to kind of freeze frame right above what you see here, and hopefully together paired with your schematic you're able to actually assemble something just like this. Okay, I'll continue to go through. So at there we get the energy, or the power source. It continues back onto our breadboard. The actual circuitry can begin. You see our 10,000 kilo ohm resistor right here. So there's a 10,000 kilo ohm resistor. The 10,000 kilo ohm resistor is also attached to 3 outputs. One is going to be into the 2 input of the Arduino chip. On the same line, you're also going to have one going into the photocell, as well as one going into the microfarad, the 100 microfarad capacitor. Now you also note that the capacitor also has an output going into the negative, which is the grounding, taking the source, the electricity source, out. Now from there, the rest of the scheme is right here. The really important thing. I also have color coded it. So we have the green. The blue is to indicate anything that's grounding, and the green and the red are to indicate each light color and which one's providing to the positive source of that light color. One's coming from pin number 12 and one's coming from pin number 13. Pin number 12 is giving me red, meanwhile pin number 13 is giving me green. This becomes really important later on as we enter our code. But that's the basic scheme right there. So if you guys have something similar to this, kudos, did a good job. Now notice I also connected the negative sides and grounded the negative sides of each LED light. Also, as we have red coming in, I also forgot to mention that we have the 330 ohm resistor. So there's that. Okay. Okay, class, as you can see, I have the lights off in the room, and as of now we can see that the red light is on. Now I misspoke a little bit earlier when I said that the green light would be indicating when the lights were off and the red lights would be indicating when the lights were on. I misspoke there. It was supposed to be the other way around. The red light indicates that there in fact is no light, and the green light indicates that there is in fact sunlight. Now I will go ahead and turn the lights on. You guys can see the reaction. Just note what happens with the input of light. So there you have it. We have a functioning photocell. Okay, so good luck and have a good class period. Ask me any questions that you guys have about assembling anything, okay?